This is the breadboard of a simple air conditioning controller. It consists of a relay which provides control of the clutch to a belt-driven air conditioning compressor. The rheostat provides a user selection of the desired temperature. The temperature sensor provides information to the controller of the ambient air temperature. The controller is a PIC microcontroller 16F688. Implements a compiled PIC basic program. The LCD displays the actual temperature, the selected temperature, and the relay control. The actual temperature is currently 61 degrees, selected is 69 degrees, and so if the air temperature then is risen to above the selected temperature, the relay then will turn on the clutch. And now the air conditioning compressor is running, which would then, of course, would lower the actual air temperature. Once the air temperature goes below the selected temperature by 2 degrees, then the air conditioning compressor turns off. So it's just turning the air conditioning compressor on and off then.